Blend bread in a blender to save money on store-bought breadcrumbs. I'm using a bread roll, cutting it into smaller pieces. Folks, it's crucial that your bread is very hard and firm like this. Next, we'll transfer these pieces into a blender. Now, we'll cover it and blend it thoroughly. Shake the blender to ensure everything is fully ground. And there you have it, folks. Your breadcrumbs are ready. See, with stale bread you can make something quick, easy, and cheap. I hope you enjoyed this tip. That's another quick recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.